our video series on how to start a business in South Africa. So in our first two sessions, we covered Entrepreneurship 101 and how to find the right business idea. If you missed it, simply follow the links in the description below to watch it now. Once again, we have Zandile, our aspiring entrepreneur, as well as our IMCSA Registered Business Coach, Brend, which joined me in studio today. Again, with practical steps on how to set business goals for your startup. Welcome, Brend. Welcome, Zandi.
Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you, Kelly.
Awesome. Let's get stuck into those questions. Why is it so important to set up a short and long-term business goals and create a clear business plan?
So, Kelly, practical business goals is very important, as well as a practical vision. It's the equivalent to somebody that wants to build a house. He's got an open piece of ground. He says, you know what, I'm going to build my dream house there. He goes to the builder and he says, please build me the house. And the builder's going to ask him what?
How do I build a house? I need a plan.
I need a plan, exactly. So that's, again, as I said in the first video, the thing that's really missing in entrepreneurship is the architect. The person that really sits down and draws up a practical vision or blueprint to how this house will be built. So that in a nutshell is why a vision and business or practical business goals is so important.
What advice do you have for entrepreneurs that's wanting to know how do they start that vision and planning process?
So I would say just keep it simple, keep it practical. And a vision, I think, is something that's very misunderstood. So people think it's this pie-in-the-sky idea or this dream. Is it a dream? Is it a vision? Or you got to have goals. And people just, the meaning of vision gets lost in translation in all these definitions. So basically a vision consists of a business purpose, a business strategy, and a tactical approach and practical business goals. That is a vision. The purpose, you got to know why you are doing what you're doing. You got to secondly have a strategy. How will I roll out this idea that I want to work to? And lastly, my tactical approach. That is now the step-by-step process to practically rolling out your business.
Awesome. Thank you for that clear outline, Brend. Zandi, I think you have a question for Brend as well.
Now, Brend, my question is, what type of tools are there that can help me set up a business model canvas for my new startup?
So as you just mentioned, the business model canvas is a really good tool to get going. It's very practical. It's very simple to understand what the business model canvas is all about. Secondly, I would say, if I was in your position, take a piece of paper, take a pen, and draw yourself a pyramid. And then at the top, you have your business purpose. Why am I doing this? Then in the middle layer, you get your business strategy. Now that's what I mentioned in the first video and the second video, my focus point, my unique selling proposition, and my competitive advantage. And then the last layer of this pyramid is your tactical approach, which will become your practical business goals. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Or alternatively, you can come to Company Partners for a professional business plan, which basically has the same layout.
Thank you, Brend. So in summary, guys, in order for you to set business goals, you have to start the vision and planning process. And in doing so, you'll be able to establish a business plan and a business model canvas. Does that make sense, Andy?
Wow, it's all making sense now. Thank you, Brend.
Great pleasure.
Awesome. In our next session, we will discuss how to build a sales strategy plan for your business with practical steps you can apply immediately. For a clear guide on how to set business goals through creating a vision and strategy, sign up for a free goal setting session with me by clicking on the link below in this description.